Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use selection tools. You will learn how to enhance your selection by combining different selection tools. You know that images hardly exist in isolation. Sometimes there is this awkward background you would like to rip off, or the subject you want to select is completely surrounded. Let me show you how to select anything, even from the most complex images. Without much ado, let's get started. Our first tool is Subject Selection tool. It works well when there is a sharp contrast between the subject and the background. Go to the Select menu and click Subject. Add a mask to output your selection. Zoom in and notice some imperfections. Let's undo with Command Z or Control Z. And then go to Select and click on the subject. Zoom in to reveal any imperfections. Use the Quick Selection tool to add or subtract from the selection. In this case, we are subtracting from the selection. Click on the Quick Selection tools, hold down Alt key and drag. Or you can click this button with the minus sign and drag. Then add a mask. Zoom in. This time around, there are no imperfections. And there we have our first selection. We achieve this by combining Subject Selection and Quick Selection tools. The next tool is Select and Mask tool. From the Selection menu, choose Select and Mask. Change the view if you don't like the current view. Onion skin, matching ants, color overlay, on black, on white, black and white, on layer. Let's go back to onion skin. Adjust the transparency if it's needed. Leave the rest of the setting the way they are for now. Select the first brush and resize it accordingly. Then paint to make your selection. This part is difficult to select. This is because of low contrast between the background and the gown. Now we have to introduce a different tool. First, lower the opacity. Then select the Lasso tool and draw to add to your selection. Increase the transparency. To subtract this area from your selection, select the brush tool, hold down the Alt key and paint back. If you are getting value from this video so far, please do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Zoom in to reveal imperfections. And finally, output to new layer. There is our selection. The next is to look at the refine hair tool. In this select and mask, some of the hair on this wolf are not selected. You notice that the hair in this area and that area are not properly selected. To select them properly, we select our refine hair tool and just brush them. Our next selection is color range. Use this when you want to select elements in an image that have similar colors. On the selection menu, click color range. Set selection preview to none. Uncheck detect faces. Change this to sampled colors. Then click on the color indicator. Select the color indicator and click on the green vegetation. Select the second color indication to add to your selection. Select this and minus the background from your selection. Then adjust the fuzziness. Change the selection preview to grayscale. Click on this and try to select this. Adjust the fuzziness again. Click on this indicator to subtract this area. Adjust the fuzziness. And when you are satisfied, click OK. Go to Adjustments panel and click on Hue and Saturation. Colorize, crank up saturation and slide through the hue to pick a color of your choice. And there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and I will see you in the next video.